Okay, first of all, thank you for getting back to my channel. I hope मेरी videos से आपको कुछ help मिल रही होगी, and those who are new, I would request you to subscribe and press the bell icon. Done? Thank you. Alright, so this video is mainly about watercolors. लेकिन जो टिप मैं आपको ड्राइंग के लिए दूंगी वो ये है कि प्लीज़ ड्रॉ लाइट. मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स को भी बार बार ये बात कहती हूँ, ड्रॉ लाइट, ताकि कभी जब आप रेस करते हैं अपनी लाइन को तो वो नीचे से विजिबल ना हो. ठीक है. Here, as you can see, I'm working with layers, plus I'm using diluted paint. That means that I'm mixing the paint with water first and then applying it on my paper to develop the tones. You can always remove the excess of water from the surface. If there is any particular area जहाँ पे आपको paint नहीं apply करना but you have applied water on it, just swap a dry brush on that area and voila, your area is secure for the highlights. One last tip that I'm gonna mention is watercolor looks a little darker when it's wet. जैसे जैसे ये dry होती जाती है तो इसकी tone हल्की सी light हो जाती है. So what you can do is keep on adding more layers until you achieve the desired tone. But make sure you're using a nice watercolor sheet for that. The one I am using here is 140 lbs. It's a little heavier than the normal sheet. जो sheet हम drawing के लिए use करते हैं वो हम watercolor के लिए use नहीं करेंगे. Inshallah, I'll discuss this in another video. But for now, enough talking. Tada! I am done. Thanks for watching. If you are getting help from my videos, please give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. Fi aman Allah.